Actually, I'm here in my back in my house because I will look forward that my house is very simple. My house is very cute, and there is many people inside in my house because it's going to look for me and and looking my and what's wrong, what's that, it's oh no, it's sorry, uh it's because I already give them phone, and they are everything borrowing my phone inside my home because many of them are happy because there's a Wi-Fi outside in my home, and everything are going outside because they are they are everybody are Wi-Fi. Yes. So I'm here in my back in my house because there is a very plenty, very good and very good in place and very good in background. Yes. That's why I'm I'm too proud of me because I built my house too. Yes. Uh, no more talking. Talking.